Hello students, and let's take this problem from JEE Advanced 2020 paper 1, and the question is taken from the topic quadratic equation. The question says, suppose A and B denote the distinct roots of quadratic polynomial x square plus 20x minus 2020, and suppose C and D denote the distinct complex roots of the quadratic polynomial x square minus 20x plus 2020. Then we need to find out the value of AC multiplied by A minus C plus AD multiplied by A minus D plus BC multiplied by B minus C plus BD multiplied by B minus D. We have to find out the value of this particular expression. Question is pretty simple and straightforward, and the similar type of questions I have uploaded in just 15 days back in one of my video, where I said that such kind of expression which is symmetrical in terms of A and B and also symmetrical in terms of C and D. And what are A and B and C and D? AB are the roots of this quadratic polynomial and CD are the roots of this quadratic polynomial. And whenever such kind of thing happens, we should make use of the sum of the roots and the product of the roots of the quadratic polynomial. So we will go like that. So what we do is, let's first take this quadratic equation which is x square plus 20x minus 2020 minus 2020 is equal to 0. Okay, so because A and D are the roots of this quadratic polynomial, so they will satisfy this quadratic equation, which means the sum of the roots of this quadratic equation A plus B becomes equal to minus 20, and the product of the roots of this quadratic polynomial, which is A into B, becomes equal to minus of 20. Coming on to the second quadratic equation, which is this one. Okay, so this I am making a quadratic equation like this: x square minus 20x plus 2020 is equal to 0. Because C and D are the roots of this quadratic polynomial, so C and D will satisfy this particular quadratic equation. So I can say C plus D is equal to plus 20 and C into D will be equal to 20. Now let's see what is the expression. The given expression I will rewrite as AC multiplied by A minus C plus AD multiplied by A minus B plus BC multiplied by B minus C plus BD multiplied by B minus D. So let me first expand this particular expression. So this value becomes A square C minus AC square plus A square D minus AD square plus B square C minus BC square plus B square D minus BD square. Correct? Now what I will do is, I will first take the terms containing A square. So the term containing A square is first is C, and this another term which contains A square is this D. So this gives me C plus D. Then I will take the term containing B square. So term containing B square is this, which is B square multiplied by C, and another term of B square is B square D. So I can take B square common. This becomes B square into C plus D. Now coming to the C square term, this is minus of C square multiplied by A, and another term containing C square is this minus BC square. So this can be written as minus C square multiplied by A plus B. These two terms contain D square, so I will write minus of D square multiplied by A plus B. Now if you look here, I can take C plus D common from here, so this becomes A square plus B square multiplied by C plus D, and from here I can take A plus B common, so this gives me C square plus D square multiplied by A plus B. Now here I just need to use the simple algebraic identity. A square plus B square will be A plus B whole square minus 2AB multiplied by C plus D minus, this gives me C plus D whole square minus 2CD, and this is multiplied by a plus b. Now just we need to plug in the values what I have written over here. My a plus b is minus of 20. So this will be the square of minus 20, which is 400, minus 2 times a into b, which is minus of 20. Then this is c plus d. C plus d is multiplied by 20 minus this is c plus d whole square, which is the square of 20, that is 400, minus 2 times c into d, which is 20, and multiplied by a plus b. A plus b is minus 20 here. So what I can take this 20 as common. So if I take this 20 common, what I am left out with is, here if you see, this is 400 minus 2 into 20, which is 4040, plus 400 will give me 4440. So this value becomes 4440. Here I am taking 20 common, and if I take this 20 common, this minus and this minus will be plus. So I have to simply calculate this value 4040 minus 400, so which gives me 3640. So if I take 20 common here, so this gives me minus of this value 3640. That means this is 20 multiplied by this. If I separate, this will give me 800. So 800 minus 800 multiplied by 20 will give me 16,000. So the correct answer of this question is option D, which is 16,000. So this way we can easily solve this question.